Some big news coming in. Assistant Director of Health Services in West Bengal has passed away fighting COVID-19. Assistant Director of West Bengal Health Services died of COVID-19. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee there comes forward, expresses her condolences in a Twitter message. Mamata said, and I quote, "His sacrifice for the cause of ailing humanity will ever be in our hearts and will make our COVID warriors fight the deadly virus with even greater determination." Here is an Assistant Director of West Bengal Health Services who died fighting coronavirus. Mamata Banerjee takes to Twitter expressing her condolences. She says that his sacrifice for the cause of ailing humanity will ever be in hearts and will make COVID warriors fight the deadly virus with greater determination. Highly unfortunate. Here is a health officer, Assistant Director of West Bengal Health Services, who's just succumbed to coronavirus. Let's quickly go over to Manogya joining us live for more on this. Manogya, please do bring us details of this health officer, the Assistant Director of West Bengal Health Services who died fighting COVID-19. Where was he placed, and is it because he came into contact with those positive patients?
Well, most of the health officials have been operating either from Swasthya Bhavan or have been holding meetings at various places with several other hospitals in charge also. He has been the Deputy Director of the Health Services in the state of West Bengal and had been extremely operational in the entire gamut of affairs, where he was not just monitoring but was tested positive, and that's after there have been multiple complications and now he's no more. Of course, a very, very challenging situation in the state of West Bengal at a time when the country and the world are fighting COVID-19. But here, it is a little more cumbersome than any other place, not just because of the challenges that the government is facing from the central government, but also the political war and the bitter game that has been going on between TMC and BJP over this. Now you only expect it to flare up a little more, given the fact that even the health officials are now falling victim and prey to the COVID-19 virus.
Very unfortunate. May he rest in peace. Manogya, thank you very much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.